Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a little short video, and basically it's a correction. I was having trouble, and so this E is already a curve. I'm going to do half-inch circles 1 inch apart and create circles. But if you will notice that I was having to clean this up, that they're not equal. It didn't put them equally, like that one's quite a bit taller than the other one. Well, Eskimo, the creator of this macro, watched that video and he said, what I'm doing wrong, I actually have this set on 10% lateral scattering. So I need to set that to 0. And then when you create the circles, they're all on a perfect line. They end on the nodes of the E. So this could be done with any, and that would be pretty cool. You know, if you wanted to scatter them, let's scatter them 25% and see what happens. It gives you a random pattern. They're still on the nodes, and this could be used, I could see it, the purpose of it. But if you want it on straight lines, you have to set that on 0 and create the circle. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.